Hey guys! Hope you all had a wholesome week. In today's video, we'll be learning about non-metallic oxides. The substances which are generally brittle are non-ductile, which are not malleable, which do not conduct electricity or heat, are generally termed as non-metals. For example, we have carbon, graphite, sulfur, diamond, etc. Now let's move on to the materials required for today's experiment. For this, we'll require an iron test tube stand with a test tube, a test tube holder with another test tube, so totally you'll need 2 test tubes, a candle, I have matches, powdered sulfur, some water, blue and red litmus paper, and finally I have a clear tube with a rubber cork. So you should have a hole like this in the rubber cork so that the tube can be passed through it, and this cork will later go inside the test tube. So yeah, make sure you have the hole. Now let's move on to the procedure. Make sure you all have parent supervision because in today's video, in today's experiment, we'll be using candles. So, yeah. First, take some water and pour it inside the test tube which is in the test tube holder. I have filled half of this test tube with water. Next, you take some sulfur powder and pour it in the and put it in the test tube which is in the iron stand. Next, you need to take the tube and the cork, fix the tube in the cork firmly, and then put the end of the cork inside the test tube with sulfur powder. Now that we have the setup ready, we'll light this candle and let the sulfur powder heat up. You know, when the fumes are going into the water, there are bubbles formed showing the presence of sulfur fumes in the water. Let this setup stay for some time and then you may blow out the candle. Now I am ready to blow it out. So now that we have heated the sulfur, you can remove the delivery tube and put it aside. Now you can take this water and pour it in a cup or anything as such, and this solution is ready for testing. I have blue litmus and red litmus paper. First, we'll check with the red litmus paper. I have one red litmus paper. We'll dip it in this solution. As you guys can see, there's no change in the color. So we'll keep this aside. We'll check now with the blue litmus paper. I have the blue litmus paper. I'm dipping it in the solution. So we'll let this sit like this for a while so that we can get a better results in both the litmus papers. We'll wait. So here are both the litmus papers. This is the blue one and this is the red one. So through today's experiment, we successfully concluded that sulfur oxide or any non-metallic oxide is acidic in nature. I hope you all enjoyed this week's video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to the Science Orb for quality content from my side. Bye! Meet you next week!